If something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? If something weird and it don't look good, tell me who you gonna call? I ain't really no ghost.
Slow down, buddy.
Seeing things running through your head. Who can you call? An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call?
Lacey.
I ain't afraid of no ghost. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? When you're all alone, pick up that phone and call.
Sit down. Sit down.
Let's eat.
Sit.
What?
She tired.
Is that what? Oh, trying to touch you. Y'all gonna fall off.
Those are my friends.
I made out here. What?
Is she?
Miss Jenny, this is stuff candy for one
I mean, Mom. What's Mom, what's Bo? What's Bo?
He is up front with that. We're getting off, Spencer.
It's so dark out here. We needed some light.
Oh, there's Lacey. I thought she liked that.
Yeah.
Don't get caught alone, oh no. When it comes through your devil, unless you just want some more, I think you better